What more can I say? Yeah. I've tried to speak with grace. I've walked the narrow way. I've searched for peace, but pride stands tall. Their hearts are locked like walls of stone. I've prayed for open eyes. I've wept through sleepless nights, but the truth they don't work. Some may choose another, but I made up my mind. Some may chase the silver, but I found a greater find. I walked through the valley, I've seen the darkest night, but when I called on Yeshua, He turned my wrongs to right. Yeshua is my choice, my choice, now and forevermore. Bad check. Who's in charge? Yahuwah. Leader who runs it all. Who runs it all? Who gives the word? Yahuwah, Yahuwah. Some folks think they're calling the shots, thinking they can make the sun stand still. But there's a power greater than kings, a throne no ruler can fill. Oh, the world's got bosses and leaders, presidents, judges, and stars. But when the trumpet sounds from heaven, they'll all bow where you are. They're searching, but they can't find my weakness. They watch me walk, they watch me pray, they whisper plans to take me down.